Hi, this is Ruben, engineer and intern here at Saratech, and welcome to our tips and tricks tutorial series. Thank you for watching this video on creating the volume for a flow analysis. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any suggestions or specific requests for tutorials on topics you'd like us to create, please add them in the comments below. Additionally, if you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please be sure to ask your question in the comments below. If you'd like to see other tutorial videos like this, please check out our other videos here on our YouTube channel. We also offer our online customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month. This is a free 30-minute live video tutorial series where our software experts will share their tips, techniques, and knowledge that will help you sharpen your skills. To sign up for this series, please contact us at info@saratech.com. So let's get right into this video. So the first thing that we notice right here is that we have a part file, and in order to do this, we're going to want to create a FEM file. So we're going to go up here to New FEM and Simulation. We're going to hit New FEM. We're going to name it. We typically use Simcenter and Ashdown, but since this is a flow analysis, we want to use Simcenter 3D Thermal and Flow. So we're going to go ahead and check that, and then we're going to name it. We're going to go ahead and click OK. Let that load for a second. Once that's loaded, we're going to want to make sure that in this drop-down menu that we make sure we have this Create Idealized Part checked. So we're going to check it. We're going to click OK. So now we're ready to get to work. What we want to do here is open up our idealized part because this is where we're going to be doing most of the work for this. We're going to click OK. Once we're in this file, we're going to want to make sure that we promote our body so that we can use it. We're going to highlight everything. Click OK. So now that we're here, the ultimate goal of this is to create and mimic the volume of where our water is going to flow. We have a shower head geometry right here, so we know that all of our water is going to be flowing through this hole into here and come out of the holes on the other side. So in order to do that, we want to create the volume on the inside. So there are many ways to go about doing this, but we're going to focus on using this delete face feature tool at the top. And the first thing we're going to do is change the drop down menu from hole to face. And one thing that we notice is that this heel is check marked, and we want this to be check marked so that once we select the faces that we want to be deleted, the remaining unselected faces will go ahead and quote-unquote heal, and it'll create that solid volume. It will have a bit better understanding once we get into the actual selecting of the faces. And then the last thing that I want to point out is that we want to take out this preview so that it just doesn't slow us down while we're working. We're going to go ahead and select all of the faces right now. So now everything is selected, and what we're going to do is go ahead and section view. Create a section view so that we can unselect the faces that we're going to use. We're going to make sure that this is in the Z direction for our case, and then we're going to click OK. So what we want to do now is unselect all of these faces on the inside where our water will be flowing. In this process, you also want to make sure that once you are unselecting these faces on the inside, that you are not unselecting faces on the outside. So it is a good tool. It is a good reminder to keep checking. And just to reiterate, this is just so that we are unselecting all of the faces that we know the water is going to be flowing through. Just to make sure, see, this is an example where we accidentally uncheck something on the outside. When this happens, we just go ahead and reselect it. Once again, check them to make sure that nothing has been accidentally checked or unchecked. And from there, this looks good. We're going to go ahead and flip the section view. So we'll click on that one more time, and then we'll flip the direction. We'll go ahead and click OK. We'll go to the other side, and we'll redo the process down here. Once again, it is a good habit to keep double checking to make sure that nothing was unselected on accident. Once again, it happened. We're going to go ahead and select that. And then from there, now that we notice that everything has been selected that we wanted, we're going to go ahead and take off that section view. And there we have it. From here, we can go ahead and click preview again to make sure that we're getting what we want. We're going to go ahead and let that load, and sure enough, this is exactly what we want. So this is mimicking the inside volume of our geometry of the shower head. So once that's done, we're going to go ahead and click OK. From here, this is where you can go ahead and move on to that simulation portion where you would run the analysis on this geometry instead of the old geometry. And this is done so that we know what is happening inside where the liquid is actually flowing. That's going to do it for us today on creating the volume for a flow analysis. Thanks for watching our tips and tricks tutorial series. This is Ruben, engineer and intern here at Saratech. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our other support videos here on our YouTube channel and tune into our customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.